away.
What should I do? What do I do?
Say boo, so
Say boo?
yes,
What will I do? That will scare you?
yes, so the hiccups go away.
Oh, you got the hiccups?
Yeah, so do boo.
Boo.
Yeah. Yay!
Are they gone?
No.
What else can we do?
And then no.
Let me scare you again. Boo! Did that work?
No, scare you. It's
Zayne, what do you have?
scary. What?
What's that thing called?
Didi?
No, what's that? What did you just do?
What?
What is that?
What? What is that?
Hiccups?
Yeah.
What are they called?
Hiccups. Didi say a big boo like boo like that.
Boo.
Ah! No. Ah!
It's not gone yet?
Just get that.
How about you try drinking more juice?
Mikhail, go to your bed. Get that name. Get that. Okay, I'm gonna come kiss you then.
No,
It's
just
okay.
drink the juice. Maybe it'll help you. Drink it slowly.
Okay, time for me to. It's about to get stanky in here. Where's my shower cap? Oh.
It's fine now. It's going away. It's going away.
मेरी shower cap इसने उठाई है.
It's going away.
It's gone away?
Yes. Oh, bird. Bear! There's a people!